Everything for high juicy news. Mema Obibia Kwaba. I had the latest hot and Aremeyaw Bremo. And we so we can subscribe to channel area. Bomodian say obe subscribe. Robeyan say obe click a year the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We understand video for free be upload with the first person once can video. Afenyo we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na when you be here. Na hu ensem dodo na ra ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanu afi yembura ye ensem a abeto ye pono so yinti eye sa report ya ababeto je sankomo yimuma yinti
Professor Dubois any Michael Kwese University of Ghana Kwame Nkrumah the C
okay Mr.
But that's a lie.
University of Ghana
say history no ha.
Near University of Ghana be ha. Near what University College of the Gold Coast. Na what Achimota School.
Tieni
Achimota School. Na no na your friend is say Nkrumah ebabedi ekonwa no. Wono e ka kire abrofo ne say adena yense say the University College of the Gold Coast. Yenya University of Ghana. Na abrofo ne so wo mo mpene because na University College to University of London until lecturers and professors in at a certain point apart from Buzia aka ni nyina abrofo until I say we have created
so Buzia was the first African
professor
otchere there
our Institute of African Studies
okay
na na otchere African Studies na institute ni dey chere na Nkrumah baby no otchere African Studies so then he will be at sociology department na Buzia na your friend say a course University College of the Gold Coast wa Republican wa Akufo Addo wa year free one a mistake pa nkofo bebre enim Kwame Nkrumah and declare republic 1st July 1960 and ka charter ni bibia etumi elevate university no wo de kokoma governor na Lord Luso on sign because Obeka said I saw good British your friend say Queen Elizabeth anymore say yan sign into ya Ghana no the University College of the
Gold Coast
until say Obaba president not charter no ya de koma parliament no mo G2 mu ni elevate ni ya de buy or then inside here as president into University of Ghana no 1961 University of Ghana. A fair buildings no a see one. A young crime for asase la for asase and Nkrumah edge free one hono. O see all the modern buildings we see there. Into a young Nkrumah na see University of Ghana. Ne advisors catch and say a Hopeson airport into one share na university no was in the buildings na I know you see Japanese style architecture yentetia and pass a din or the toto solo ni 1948 names modern names like Commonwealth Hall, Mesa Saba Hall, Legon Hall because Ojifri Legon no I see honor with one hall and Ekuyafo Hall. Why Ekuyafo Hall? Ekuyafo Sika. Ekuyafo
Ghana. Say JB Danquah University of Ghana.
Can prempe the second impona credit no kon ho. And Nkranibi your friend Nanka Bruce na yusu ono na no what the only private radio station on the Gold Coast and na tamwa committee tena say yes university ba ko aka fura be wono na Ghana force ye pe and na Nigeria force wo mo pe na committee ni say there be Ghana ben Sierra Leone kakra your population ni sa na Nigeria for ntimi maha almost dodo about 10 times more in TNC University no and na who ya na prempe the second say don't worry that time Ashanti was the biggest cocoa producer region made up of about 3 regions Bunafo and Ashanti Asase no na Ken UST one
that's right
oh yeah no na and also wo ko carry cocoa bia wo Ghana no G2 me say yenti sika ni bi nto ho near the university no so from 1948 to 1951 a leader bi anko discount 51 Nkrumah nsa so sika ni mu no ana osi University of Ghana eye kokofo eyi sika no University eye kokofo sika no odisi University of Ghana enti on now with one hall Akufo hall o wie na pempe di second nso say wahu amanfo Ghana Akufo nyina sika wo de say university amaye say akasa aban so be hye men so animunyam no say to bo na mesi biama enye second capital we de Miami University and no see
Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
And no catch and say
where is JB Danquah? Where was JB Danquah at that time? Where was JB Danquah? After so di Kwame Nkrumah, JB Danquah concern and we am dem some anu da. 19 letters or throw here by Kwame Nkrumah na me copies. Or concern or a tractor. Eti say Professor Edubuahin, na me fa de kransie. Michael Kwaku Addo. No me catch say JB Danquah the University of Ghana. Yes, I feel crowd or no crowd no coffee din in the buy. Only thing in the buy.
Edin buy Ghana.
Ghana. Check Tama Kwame Nkrumah conclude keep ko say dey.
Ghana ne ya tene say. Tamwa omo tena say omo kofa Nkrumah buy. No omo say omo pe ya fa ne say logo. When we saw buy no na UGCC omo ni logo flag bibia o. Nti omo tena say na JB Danquah can say Kwame Nkrumah suggested say you use eagle. No misan say dientra. No so that famous African agri. No kasa bi otaka eagles abi before ye eagles. Nti ade bia ye be ye mfa eagle emrem. No so da bi eagle dey say eagle oni na nam ewiem. Ne wa dinkra symbol bi ne na ye pa. Dinkra symbol na dancha mienu na cross no.
That's right.
Ye fan say funtum fruit ye
dancha fruit no.
Na watch that say na Nkrumah da form chi na Nkrumah otchere say o za Nkrumah no that say Anno mandabre no nim no say and on the chance me nhwe no say won wo me yefunu na ye ba ko no no mo ano mienu no ye pese ye ka kire won say mo ano na e mienu at the end of the day mo preduane no ho say me wa no so ni obedi bia ha dwene be ko yefunu ba ko nti ye de kire o man ne say mo bia enye basabasa na at the end of the day your destiny ye ba ko na Nkrumah ka kire ne say na mudi kan kontokwa ansa na aduane no abegu na nya conflict ya na enti wa mpe Kwame Nkrumah asem we
na me kwa kan ya se nya amane
yeso ko fa di so bra Kwame Nkrumah say Ghana no be say Ghana there no say that famous the first Western Sudanese empire Egyptian civilization the Guyano the first black civilization the Guyano the second black civilization was the kingdom of Ghana. It has been proved they say accounts and when you fi intina woman yen use no say there be you be use akanman JB Danquah
what's up
akanman tinka na wo be wo say e ka akanman na we enkrania you are not covered where you are not covered not na you are massa we Ghana you are not covered and Nkrumah to me a dispute say yenye entino ye boguye and no maintain the name Gold Coast one and nam say one Nkrumah tirimu the following year na 1948 riots in by and Odru was students of Atta.
They be no think Ocquaye Cape Coast.
Ocquaye second D.
No ko share grant.
Ocquaye no Ocquaye ne omo head office no. Salt Pond. Salt Pond Ocquaye. Until Ocquaye Dru Cape Coast no problem here aba. People were standing in clusters say yeah you wo mo adikura. No say no yen create school be like an evening school or any there you better register as it's a workers college a private workers college. Right. Now immediately on near Akufo find a plunge on the first headmaster of that school omunya obi uncompleted structure around no kasache students and any teachers no say omu me yusu eho no mo say there be now your structures papa be at the side
na ko patro man I will say
no say there be say me man so pa na me kwa ko
pa broni a
cho e mamusa na mo ma money assuring you say anche be beje fa hudie ni eje fa hudie a say school will be one of the best in the country mo campus no so be so asen other schools na mo kan efe so no Messi Ghana National College ni be in every region because of Niamo Mayan. On the Ghana National be Okofo on the bisu watamali.
That's right.
Na ya Nkrumah team pasa region be as
Ghana National College.
Where
was JB Danquah?
Well, and the dean of Ghana National the Ghana no na etoso. Na 1948
before independence.
48. And I answer one it took 9 solid years before we had our independence. And so now what and it's why didn't we be say a beje fa hudie.
lawyer, yeah. TV, very simple.
JB Danquah. JB Danquah,
they say people teach are defeating it 3 times. People teach are not JB Danquah a lawyer.
And Tiasian so say, Tio, Tiasia say, Tamayeti Matimehono. Immediately after the 1951 election, Tiatina around 52. JB Danquah no uyo. JB Danquah was 65. And then Asante Forson Kofano Meye, the leader of Matimehono NLM. Na leader ni ya bafu akoto. Ntimpa chao. Asante for mummy Adio, ye ni bibia wa Ghana. Your friend the Danquah Buzia tradition.
Ebi ni bibia.
I am tro. I JB Danquah supporters led by Nyaubo Nidina Wewunu professor.
Eduwaye.
Aha, omu na di won adwen kase edibiti Asante for say Asante for na doso. Indeed, Asante edwunu hu mienu ahu. Nke omu be yi president sa kosi da wiase bese. Na unity na ni wontem no mu nye ready so mbe asete wo ho na achemfo na wo just about 6 constituencies ni mudi wonchi no ana da bia mu nya problem na till metropolitan Ashanti ko awo 47 constituencies metropolitan Ashanti and a new region ye create am ahafo is 100% Ashanti who 6 constituencies
what the can
47 plus 6 Nya 53. I'm so one kunta na nya papa.
53.
One can in term na me expect. What I say? No wa call I say north, I say south, I say central. Na you part of Ashanti Empire.
That's right.
We are Aguna so edrum no mfa Asante na baba gu ho.
Aguna be say na ho.
So what you say? Central region Aguna so edrum. Obanya be 3 constituencies.
Be wura ngwa bagu mu.
Na Breman Sikuma. Onu so kwa Breman for so Fikuma se Breman na eba he. So what you say? Na wa ba kwawu. Obanya be 4 constituencies say kwawu ye 100% Asante. We wa ba New Jabe North and South. Internet say out of 277
275 no more than half
no Ashanti nko atra ni nsam say ya ni owanie wo wi a efei omunuanom etese dagomba ana oti region ana nzema akotoko tina make sure say Asante toto wonu ma yi a nka Ghana politics ni nipa bi o mu pese odi president na wodi ana moama achimobuakwa royal house no aye smart ana omu angunu saade no ana omu create imaginary yibia NC dan tro say Danquah Buzia tradition and na make kachira we say Buzia wu 65 adan Asante for ne party first one NLM second one UP United Party no mu di Buzia bedi anim samre na Danquah ti ase wa ben okuta PhD no mu so mu po bia wa ben obe challenge Kwame Nkrumah enti na edi dombo si nchen no mu di bafo akoto si nchen no mu kofa Buzia me pa chaw Danquah na so ye member other one may leader one can Asante for who is so ye part of them and the reason was very simple United Gold Coast Convention no mutie no omo constitution no e wo mu se wo mu pefa hudie for Eastern Province and na ye Greater Accra and Eastern Region Western Province and na Western Region and Western North Region and the Central Province others na enka ho others no enka ho tinanke se JB Danquah etumi be ye first prime minister na president of Ghana Kampacha Asante fo nimi se nko mu nka Ghana ho ye nuanom sremfo nimi se o mu nka Ghana ho ewafo nimi se o mu nka Ghana ho nti tamu Kwame Nkrumah de ekon ne call Asante momo ochere prempe di second we no se ai nkofo ni tiri mo de o nti fa hodie no wo mo hwehwe ne ye nka wo se na wo nka ho no se ne meye won wade bi why you ready so obeko ma ye ready ba ye krado why ye krado obetuma ko ama me waje fa ahudi ama me wo se nana metimi saade ame ma wade bi no na be ma watumi edi nkonim Ashanti Youth Association is the biggest youth association on the Gold Coast me na ya media won panimfo na bi ne Arara Mponsa Victor Wusu Krobwadu say Kwame Sanapoku Jantoa ene ninua
na ya Jantoa papa asem ne
ai Franklin Adubo bi Jantoa me de won ma enti wode won bedi Nkrumah echi no na Nkrumah mu aye do because they became part of the committees for youth organizations na ye part of the UGCC and then they share Nkrumah say as general secretary direct to obabedru south ha near say 48 riots no wono na akofa ba say ye pam no so momo pam me afire ku anu mu woni nipa etamachi e ya Asante hene odi nipa de atamachi nti Asante Youth Association no ene ma ba Nkrumah chi dom ma wotumi beje fa ahudi a Asante hene title no de man no dan wo kire mu say ka so oni kan ko mankasi mbebua
no be san ko wie ye wa Asante hema ho ana mo wie di wie ye man
no man no osa agefo nti Ghana de ye ka JB Danquah no wa ye bi no ye academic
ye den na magana
academic work
academic work be ade de here
there be so no say Ghana ni
say akaso Ghana ni but ye kaso ye den na magana
academic work no ye ade and in politics no no
politics ni ye kan
ye de akosoro too much mesrew ye de akosoro
ye da akosoro too much
ana fen so yanti ase se mateme ho no nka ho the party no egu yanti 1954 no a o so mu enya 3 seats pe ewo 1951 election no nti ye beto 54 de no na chese o mu aban no wonu de na adwuma ba awie ye kora asantefo na yusu ne biem ewo wiase nti ye den na ne ye say Danquah buzia tradition buzia de that time no ya Asantini because Bono was Ashanti West and ofri Bono wenchi nti na that time no ya Asantini 100%. Oti ase no ya Asante na Asante fo no ko fa ne ba ase leader na Danquah de na Asante hina hu se wodi ne ye bibia nye ye because no time Asante so wo do Asante a nke Pa Grant was just a businessman.
Sure.
Ono sika no wo na nimidie no nka mo ta na chi no na mo beka kira ne se yanfa ekonu ko ye nuanu Asantefo esrem ene ewe ana mo gitu mu se ase wonko ana ye be operate na se Kwame Nkrumah de abeka ho ne enwini a na obi te ha o se JB Danquah agifa ahodie
wo hwe de ekona ohun ye du ba bi a esese won a actual history books o Nkrumah nyina no ye fra won for questioning. One actual political history will come in now and say a friend of someone. Say number one, time no more trust us, no more dream with the hole. Number two, say no more dream with the hole. Any papa on the sun. Number three, one more share that, and I say a baby. One said actual political history, Nkrumah. Professor Dubois here will no. But Professor Aaron by Ocquaye Otiase. I see a friend in your business these questions. No answer. Take through you before a Nkrumah. Actual books. Say no na say ye manusua e was secondary schools, universities. They are true who question history e wo Ghana ha. Say one kind Aaron by Ocquaye Professor Dubois he book there history no be fairly. But political history no much Nkrumah no. Does it correspond with all the histories in the world about Ghana put together? A correspondiana? The answer is no. History Aaron Ocquaye, Edu Buahin, and all the rest Troye, say you before the Troye ni no. What for books and what asisu nyina bom. Eye pe ba wo fa omi enu no de na edifa. What it means is that Wamo said they would twist Ghana's political history to their advantage. And to say Peter na ya ade a fa by force as I say the come ekon. Umpo fa ekon. Enti say one fa man called the that just said the awotro no and the awo can no correct. Maybe see we series way next year. See, number 2. Enra, His Excellency the former President of the Republic of Ghana. Nana Danquah Akufo Addo. Eka wo chebi presby sorry them. Say Openi JB Danquah and Nkrumah just say what passe derogatory comments and remarks about him. Say and some na ye keke bifa JB Danquah hono enye correct. Asamna Honorable Mutala Muhammad kan no so ye traitor. JB Danquah concern men am catcher, and I'll prove it this morning. It is our table is what my bomb with the new set of books, Aba. Books we are University of Ghana, Legon Library or Machine or Munibi. I brought new books. I have repeated Dark Days in Ghana, the Green Book, Ghana, the autobiography of Kwame Nkrumah, and then with the other books about. A child will say, as I'm a senator, as I said, me sorry, and some can be here to say the camera and the far, the titles ni. Chebi Danquah concerning, and I don't know, I say him for being Nkrumah Gunsani and there say then no me see me pedio so ye bema. I will see what kind Ghana history. Now we name Ghana about some political history, no. Just come and sit here. That's all. Brother better baby, I'm hearing of it. So feel say. Aha, hey meme, baby, I'm here jumanti. Why ha? Won't you comfortable? Won't towa. What do you yanko Accra Sports Stadium? They have for microphones in your new CNM. What I was say, when I was here, Obia winning the political history of this country. But now, and let's discuss JB Danquah. Maybe so I can concern you. Hey, Abraba ye bo memha ye one to na JB Danquah. Question number 1. Then JB Danquah ye Ghana. Monkana minti. I'm asking one question. Obi chama dia ba ku papa ba ku pese a JB Danquah ye ya. Ye betimi ye nsa atene so. Say si ho. Say watro. Ye papa efa Ghana ho. Edu ayin. Tell me one say baku say. JB Danquah. The reason why you do baby, na JB Danquah ne buzi antem essay no. Me ka kire wachina. Maybe you don't know. Edu baby na JB Danquah ne buzi antem asai. Cause wasan ko di buzi aso ho konkonsa. Me say I am looking up to solve. Me try obi so obi be unity. Gabby otchere darko Danquah Institute me boa. Otchere article bi, I think this was around 2011 or so 2012 baby. Was it that time? No. I think it's later than that. Well, whichever. Yawo papa bi Anno ye Ghana US ambassador to Ghana Kwame Nkrumah time. Sa papa no. Otchere assembly for JB Danquah ho. No ye Ghana United States of America ambassador no wo Ghana had that time. Kwame Nkrumah time asem na make achiro no. Papa no obo form o makola no na asem na make no. Obo form say pepra tam. US ambassador wa from pepra e makola. Your friend Professor Richard D. Mahoney. Your friend Richard Mahoney. Otchere book bi JFK Ordeal in Africa. JFK Ordeal in Africa. Now, Papa the book no Otchere no. Ukwa chapter 6 Now, I'll come in some about Ghana. He wrote another memoir. And now, our title some memoir, they say, JB Danquah, the patriot of Ghana, or a question mark. Oh, Mr. Say, it's JB Danquah, or no JB Danquah. No. Now, or ya no kwafo, Adrim Papa, Amanyo, or many ye dear one trimu ampa, Anna. Or no, natural sabukuno. JFK. Ordeal in Africa. Look what chapter 6 of that book. Chapter 6 started from 157, page 157. What was that book? Page 157. and chapter 6 no started. Sanka chino ana what the home ate because me come by me. Chapter 6 of that book. Who will be a what soft copy no? Page 157. So this copy be and we first say where make can say yes soft and they hard. It's a hard copy there. We on page 156. What will be the kind? 2nd June 1961. Am I right? Yes. Papa ya your friend JB Danquah no go jail. Kwame Nkrumah cheno. Then tina Kwame Nkrumah cheno. That time no what 19 concern letters about Osage for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. I have copies of all the letters. It be say political historian be a work room hano. Wodi enya akukuduro na bra. JB Danquah concern okahuna Ghana yebre. And Adiane see ache, and it has taken me almost 7 years. Apart from the books now, it taken me 7 solid years going deeper into this. And I can chest out and boldly tell you, sir, JB Danquah or concerning Ghana ye in Africa JB Danquah. And I'll prove to you and Echna, Ukwiada, and Yawada. Name for this week. But series where the Trauma will see next year. Nse wa bibi beba ba fefam ne yekọ ne yeba. Papa ne trust a book no. Chapter 6 no ensem bi wo ho. Eno na gabby otchere darko otro to Danquah Institute for website. Say sika bi na America for tuama JB Danquah so obekọ so ye konkonsani no wo Ghana ha no. Na ye US embassy ena na tua sa sika no emba JB Danquah. Na emom na enye CIA ena na tua Gabby, Mebwana, why did you pull that thing down? A year is one, Gabby Ochedako, a pullee, Sadian down. It's now in any case. Mete, me yajuma media general, but me yajuma TV3. It is a TV3 for prepare on payroll. Patrick Captain Smart in Bebaso. Mete, me yajuma American embassy. It is American embassy. Prepare on payroll. Anyone want more allowance. Sabenya shema US. And then American embassy betu America. Now this is the deal. JB Danquah timer and concern 19 or Tete Kwame Nkrumah factory where JB Danquah will do nothing about the factory, but will start writing disparaging letters and comments and serious and concerned by Kwame Nkrumah to UK. And you know what? Russia was monitoring JB Danquah. And if you want to dare me, it can be found in this book. Okay. If again you want to dare me, you can still find it in this book. Remember, so proper. Again, if you don't want to believe me, go and read Richard Hall's book that he wrote, Kaunda, founder of Zambia. You will find it there. Now listen to me. And then go and read Professor Richard D. Mahoney, Ghana, U.S. former ambassador to Ghana, joined Osage for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's time. The friend Mahoney. Time at JB Danquah fi Okwada prison no. Next CIA etua JB Danquah busu afoka. Say fan we aduane command prison. No a CIA asset. Now let me break it down so you can understand proper. Say CIA new year adwuma. One more 2 categories for foreigners. And one more 5 categories for one United States of America mapa, one person who use so more proper. It's either you are an asset or you are an agent. Say US CIA catch us away one more asset. Umo du pa agent. Asset no 1 within konkonsa, 2 within sekro, number 3 and some I want many more. Ebetimi am mine here. US ehwehwe o monsan kan no wo na wo de koma mo enti ye fa de say Peter ewa adwin bi a wo de tirim opesa oma onua ye yi a na ekọ hyekyere ekọ te adwin ne pe pa not the American wa say hey good afternoon oh one plan for Asante aba man so ano a muti wasa ano ama Ghana abeye te say America mo de mo ntena ho na mo he na ye bi before no de ese ekoso asa aso mo Fidel Castro wrote this speech 29th anniversary of the attack on the Mokanda garrison Grammar 26th of July 1982 go get the speech and read. Me say it has taken me few so to learn about J.B. Danquah. Oh yeah, Kwansani. He's not just a traitor. Padini ya Kwansani. And I'm daring anybody. Yeah, share one-on-one. Bring your documents. I'll bring my documents. Bring your books. I'll bring my books. I am daring anybody. The question is that when the first copy or the copy of Kwame Nkrumah's 7-year development plan policy no etu kwan or the kwan J.B. Danquah the kwan or the kwan ahina J.B. Danquah the kwan J.B. Danquah told the CIA say listen for the very first time he told the CIA say Ghana's independence means nothing to him. These were his own words. And I have a document to prove it to you. Like I said, take him in Fienson to investigate that man. J.B. Danquah catcher, CIA said, Ghana's independence now Kwame Nkrumah and Nihu Hancho, or Pesa Ghana dinner home. Na Ghana bay your man and more do, and we be them hanging. It means nothing to him. There's a document to prove. He wrote officially. So let nobody sit anywhere in this country and think that J.B. Danquah did something for this country. You can never change the history of this country. Back to the main story. Go and read JFK Ordeal in Africa. And tomorrow I will show you pictures. Uyembe chakro. Echira me mfoni. Betcha me bodia. Na me the picture na to ho bam. Me bodia na me the picture na to ho bam. Me bodia na me the picture na to ho bam. No obi ani swada ho. Cause it has taken me 7 years. Because me your school no. Wo chese ye can Ghana history a J.B. Danquah. Then I said no. Akwari yaji obi ani onyama ani kwanse oje. So let me take my time and investigate this. We said Dr. Edwin Oton Edro ofie haya bisano. At a point, I traveled with him to somewhere to go collect books. Chapter 6 of that book. J.B. Danquah the prison no. And then people said that J.B. Danquah was rich. He was not rich, Bia. If indeed J.B. Danquah was rich, and then the CIA, and the Trianica, and this kind of man a bush for me, I didn't want to come out of prison. Can I stand? People will try to twist and turn our history. It will not wash. It wouldn't go anywhere. It will never happen. Not anymore. I'm saying, Emra kotoka kan say kebeya enkofa Kwame Nkrumah mra no bedi na ban no. Nkrachifo bi okurum ha sorry ti ai. E chen be bo mudin. Ya ka to say oman no said dey see kodme ade ya me ya pa okurum ha ne say maka cho dada. O say professors mienu am bo mudin. Ye ofa pani ba ya be the same thing. Professor Dubois. Professor Finn. And latter day saint, Professor Michael Ocquaye.
Ochere me political science na mi ntwa no. Ono ni obi a oba bechira de wo school hwa. Professor Mike Ocquaye, that am not a Dr. Mike Ocquaye. Okay, tie. Na de bia ntokwaba class ho because ono ne subject ne politics in Ghana. And now no adane politics in Ghana na entro because Nkrumah and the seat mahabo kra Michael Ocquaye beka chiro say enya Nkrumah dey see na abrofo no mo si dada e na obeto so pa grant sika £100 and ye de kofa Kwame Nkrumah free aburokyire ba ya my Ocquaye be twa ntro aka tro say JB Danquah lawyer ni nu a woni sika no wono ni sika ene ye kokko e de ne kofa e bai nti se ba ne say nipa so kaya de imagine say asema mi ke ye 1989 89 na me was second year very good 1989 na me ye ono ne subject no na medical catch say earlier on 79 and na me 16 years peno but you read the challenge of our time. Now my son read a myth is broken. Dear in the chess as at 89 no margin no 79 more elementary form 4
I don't know what you say.
I know na adwin mo bi na 89 na mo university Mako secondary school we are courses form we na me university second what be try kira me say JB Danquah we sika akofa Kwame Nkrumah de aba na in any case always kempa say yan kwala no say pani bi esikafo na ewo krom nyo mo na team man kwala no team ni we wan na to ball no nya sikani no wan na to ball na we see players na nkonko to ball pa grant at party na the whole West Africa no need the leading timber merchant na say ye kwakofa general secretary for aburokyire aba na party member bi na ye de ne sikatwa ticket anya ono chairman na my Ocquaye be twa entro we say ono ne ba ko bi afa na
FK message say o me phone so ye bomb ada pass
o hada na ye bomb me da me meti hobi o be twa entro no mo na wa kokuduro samre na obi esura de so ye ba maka o down osuro na akwa we ye fa ne say esremfo no oh students mo bi o mu nsuro hwe madam for bakwa na mutashiru dari ona no wayi nanim da bia ni group anu wo mo ete wo the same la no mo na tumi sole no mo challenge my Ocquaye twantro sa no mo challenge no we dwane na wokọ me say me ye student me say be meeting in law school abra no ba be ye law no me pacho mi ni my Ocquaye ye on pen Nkrumah sam wo kwan bia so na wo mpen na sam en ha adwene ete say me so me mpe kotoka sam no enso no kura wom ni ade papa kotoka ye say emfa Nkrumah mra no enu na maba be kan ha no Kwame Nkrumah no mpe JB Danquah asem enso tama na Obie Institute of African Studies o share yi sa no center ne say se mo betumi aye research akọ mo animu a ebibifo mienu bi one writings no ehia pa mamon toto na say and obo Professor Anton William Amo first right. Black scholar ofri one obo JB Danquah no not sure that book be that can concept of God or the chere abrofo say no mu na introduce the concept of God no nyame nyamu no nti ne enim dada and Nkrumah had read that book and was given honor to JB Danquah I don't know what my Ocquaye there so 1 + 1 because you say free Nkrumah when instead of 2 we can say 4 all because of the name Kwame Nkrumah and me the so we not here na otchere
Thursday
you're very dishonest scholar very dishonest yeah brocha baby can professor and I say Nigeria different so yes chantro cannot correct my Ocquaye I'm telling you you are a liar yes a dishonest academician
and
the man coach no baba have a challenge me because
me have thrown the challenge say obi or any other history and document other than the year one share and I want to be my
me da be na makoka say mo ba bi obi atumi a challenge me why cuz me see na kura na ma ba beka o ka say me bo mitiri ma na ma beka what are you talking about today before say me ba radio and today I'm disclosing my secret to you a radio or TV station my wife gift you otie me only me say that night no me pack me books nyina na makosha me nafie makosha kokua bi mu just yes me nim that though just to ensure say eya nokora na me ba beka if you say na social media wo kan wi a wo kwati firi ho a enye
right
enye
yo before we ne ensemo ababeto yepono so me ka say so we subscribe to channel here bomodi ase obe subscribe na wa like video no give us a thumbs up na fe share ma wo foforo so na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensemo ekoso e wo Ghana memo a wo so betimi a chere wadwen afa ensemo we nyina ho e wo comment box ni mu mo beti me ka bi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.